I'm Daryl. Nico. I'm Jeff. Jasper Redlaw. Jeff. We're Tank. This is Jeff. Julian. This is Jeff.
We're here to take on the ice challenge for actually included by our section and the hobby. We're bringing awareness to the year, and today we're going to call out two members of our own team, the sales team,
Robbie. And we're calling out from Second State, Will and Devonda. And Gwen.
Okay, everybody get geared up. They have 24 hours to fulfill this challenge.
Yeah. All right.
Oh my God.